Our company, Genn Dih Enterprise, was founded 43 years ago in Taiwan. We specialize in designing, manufacturing, and innovating high-precision proportional pressure and flow control valve. This is a proportional pressure regulator with high precision, up to 0.05% full scale, and high pressure, up from vacuum pressure up to 100 bar gauge pressure controllable, and high speed with 100 millisecond response time. This product can be used in applications such as industrial cutting, laser cutting, tire making machines, and PET bottle blow molding process. Also in medical devices such as heart surgery machines and catheter and balloon forming machines, and in semiconductors such as ultrasonic spray coating machines.